Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 2500 delivers heavy-duty capability, sophisticated style, rugged strength, and technology that keeps you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, universal garage door opener, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.